Breaking news maria mararikia gutukinyira guku gwa Kikuyu Hot News TV mahinahi ni ati riu thukuru wa airitu wa Butere Girls ni makorwo makiuga matigu perform play ya Echoes of War, mwandiki wao kana director wao atariho, kuria maina rwimbo rwa national anthem na gucoka kuma stage haria megubatie guperformera. And moving forward to other stories, riu Triza niarikitie kwaria thutha wa mbica iria ireketwo Photoshop na kurekererio mwena wa Facebook ni mutangathi ugwitwo Wangeshi wa Kariuki akigeria kumanyitithania ringi. Triza akimucokeria na kumwira ati Wangeshi nakupenda mama, but how he post my heart is still bleeding, huwezi elewa, but one day utakuja kuelewa dia. Nie kihiko kia atumia eri ndingiikara, kaba ndure ndi single. Na thutha wa Wangeshi kuona comment ino ni aramucokeria na aramwira ati God will restore, the message is home. Na hau Wangeshi atekuria marigu ni arakorwo agitheria post ino. Na in addition to this, Wangeshi ndaraireterwo thutha wa gutungio irumi nditu ni mafans a Triza, kuria kinya angiriirio thi akiragwo ati I never expected that from her Aki. Vile tu hukuongea time Triza was crying, unyamaze tu hivo. That time she was pretending haelewi what was happening. Ogiakamwira ati let Triza mamake Muraya be. When she's ready, she sure will go back. We are women. We are patient with something, but when we are tired, we walk out. Nobody wants to go back to a healing trauma. Please let her heal. We are women for women. Please do not push another woman down. Na nĩ irumi itumĩte Wangeshi rĩu enyihie na kũhera mũno akiuga atĩ mimi sikujua mtakangi warudiane mama. Poleni basi wasirudiane, but at least amesema hataki bibi mwingine atakuwa. There is hope. Na ũguo maũndũ makĩhana mũreri wakwa wa Kikuyu Hot News TV, thiĩ na mbere na gũsubscribe nĩgetha ũgakorwo ũrĩ wa mbere kũmenya marĩa marahanĩka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ matanamio nĩ mbara ya Nyamenya makorwo makĩgagaya. Stay tuned for more updates.